You're watching Barnes on the Go. Like and subscribe.
What's up, y'all? So this past weekend, we were on the go in Louisiana watching our oldest nephew graduate from college. We traveled over 1,000 miles to get there, and it was worth every mile. Seeing the little boy whose diapers I used to change, getting his college degree. I couldn't explain the excitement and joy in that moment of seeing this. As you can see, a lot of the fam pulled up. We had some in that section where we were in, and some in other sections because the arena was quite packed. Cam, we are so proud of you on this accomplishment, and we can't wait to see what you accomplish next in your life.
Time with the candidates for undergraduate degrees from the College of Business and Technology. Cameron Jackson. Let's go, Cam!
As you can see, we are some of Cam's biggest fans, and we'll always be present for all the big moments and the little ones too. So, of course, after the graduation, we had an after party. We had some Louisiana faves on deck. We had crawfish pasta, fried catfish, hush puppies, French fries, dirty rice, corn mock shoe, boudin balls, and Natchitoches meat pies. It was more than appropriate, I would say, to have Natchitoches meat pies on deck as he graduated in Natchitoches, Louisiana. Thank you guys so much for watching this and watching this special occasion with us. And we'll catch you on the next video.